Students, in this video we will continue with practice set 8.2. In the previous video we had completed up till practice set 8.2 question number 4. So now we move ahead with question number 5 of practice set 8.2. Now question number 5, here length of diagonals of a rhombus ABCD are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the side and the perimeter of the rhombus. Okay, so this is the question. Now we begin with the solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus such that length of AC is equal to 16 centimeter and length of BD is equal to 12 centimeter. Here one rough diagram of rhombus ABCD is drawn. You can see all sides are equal and it is shown by a symbol. And this rhombus is similar to a square. Only thing is we know that all the angles are not 90 degree. One also important point is diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Okay, so we have shown that here diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. So that we are showing by with the red color. We have shown that diagonals are perpendicular bisector of each other. Therefore measure angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now you can see length of AO will be half the length of AC. Length of AO is equal to half length of AC. So therefore length of OA is equal to half into 16, that is equal to 8 centimeter. Length of AO or OA is 8 centimeter. Similarly, length of OB, length of OB is equal to half of BD, half of length of BD. So therefore length of OB is equal to half into 12. So that is 2 ones are 2 6 are, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore length of OB is equal to 6 centimeter. Length of OA is 8 centimeter, length of OB is 6 centimeter. Now in triangle AOB, in triangle AOB, you can see in the figure, in triangle AOB, measure angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, length of AB square is equal to length of AO square plus OB square. So length of AB square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square, and that is equal to length of AB square is equal to 64. Length of AB square is equal to 64. 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36, 64 plus 36, that is equal to 100. So length of AB is equal to AB square is equal to 100. Therefore length of AB is square root of 100 and square root of 100 is 10 centimeter. Therefore the length of each side of a rhombus is 10 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 4 into side. Same formula of the square, perimeter of a square. 4 into 10, that is 40 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of a rhombus is equal to 40 centimeter. Now let's see the next question. find the length of the diagonal of a square with side 8 centimeter. Find the length of the diagonal of a square with side 8 centimeter. In the previous case, it was given, diagonals were given, we found the side and perimeter. In this case, in this question, we are going to diagonal is given and we are going to find the side of a square. Now solution. Quadrilateral ABCD is a square such that length of AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, you have to write all this what is given. Now here rough diagram of a square we have drawn ABCD. No, they have not given the name, but we have assumed the name ABCD, and we have drawn the rough diagram showing that all sides of square are equal, and we have drawn one diagonal AC. All sides of a square are congruent. All sides of a square are congruent. That we have shown by a symbol. Now length of AB is equal to length of BC, and that is equal to 8 centimeter. Now in triangle ABC, measure angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, length of AC square is equal to length of AB square plus length of BC square. Length of AC square is equal to 8 square plus 8 square. So this is equal to 64 plus 64, and that is equal to 128. Length of AC square is equal to 128. Therefore length of AC is equal to square root of 128. That is square root of 128. Therefore length of 128 centimeter. Therefore length of AC is equal to square root of 128 centimeter. The length of diagonal is square root of 128 centimeter. The length of diagonal is square root of 128 centimeter. Children, writing all these steps is very important, and it is also a practice for higher classes. Now let's see the 7th question, last question. Measure of one angle of rhombus is 50 degree. Find the measures of the remaining angles. Okay, so measure of one angle is given 50 degree, and we have to find the measures of the remaining angles. Now here solution. Quadrilateral LMNO is a rhombus such that measure angle L is equal to 50 degree. So we have drawn one rough diagram, that is LMNO. All sides of rhombus are equal, and angle L we have taken 50 degree. Angle L we have taken such that angle L is 50 degree. Now quadrilateral LMNO is a rhombus. So one important point of this rhombus, one important property is sum of the adjacent angles of a rhombus. Sum of the adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. Some of the adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary. Therefore measure angle L plus measure angle M is equal to 180 degree. So 50 plus measure angle M is equal to 180 degree. So measure angle M is equal to 180 minus 50. So measure angle M is equal to 130 degree. Measure angle M is equal to 130 degree, that we are writing in the figure. Now opposite angles of a rhombus opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. Opposite angles of a rhombus are congruent. Therefore, measure angle O is equal to measure angle M, that is equal to 130 degree. Measure angle N is equal to measure angle L, that is equal to 50 degree. So with this we have completed our practice set 8.2, children, and you are going to complete this practice set 8.2 in the classwork book, and I will be sending some extra sums for practice that you will be solving in the homework notebook. Children, see that you are solving step by step, copying the steps properly and completing your practice set 8.2 in the classwork book. In fact, you will be completing the other practice set 8.1 also in the classwork book, those who have not yet completed. Okay, and then if you have any doubt, you can ask me and complete your work. And I want you to complete your homework book also thoroughly, properly, so that I can ask anyone randomly to show me the homework book. I can call and check the book. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Keep your books complete. Take care.